So for their ICO sites, for their ICO price, how much is their coin worth in dollars? Remember that most ICOs will not give you the coin worth in dollars. They want to give you the coin worth in Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever else cryptocurrency, but we need to find it in dollars. All right, so we go back to the ICO website and start tracing, usually on the first page. So what they have here is a blockchain mobile game platform, token generation event starts in, okay, email, what is ALAX. Okay, we'll click on token, look at it. So exactly, so this is where they mention the details we need. 50% of ALAX tokens. Okay, hard cap is they need 30,000 Ethereum. That's what they are raising, and they are giving us all the percentage we need. But guess what? They are not mentioning how much any of their tokens is worth. This is usually a bad sign, very bad, because the amount the token is worth, it's very important in rating the success of the event. So 30% of total number of ALX can be available at LXDG. This corresponds. Good. But the problem is, how much is the token going to be worth? 12 months following. So you see, ICO Predictor is helping us to find out that there's a problem. They're hiding something. Do you understand? So that's one of the very interesting things about this tool. Even if a website is very nicely designed and all, if there's a problem, ICO Predictor is going to help you figure it out. So right now, they are not. Let's check their FAQ section. So guys, after a little digging, I found the answers to some of the questions we faced, and then that's it. So the first question we faced initially was, does ALX use a public or private blockchain? Is there any prototype? You understand what I'm saying? We had to go dig into their white paper to see that, but it's in the FAQ section, so it made sense, which means you should always check your FAQ section. So what it says here is that yes, the prototype is ready, but it's in the early development stage and used only to promote our product to phone makers. A public beta version will be available later this year. So we're in April 2018 and you can't even show us the code you're working on. Instead, you're promising to show us that later this year, probably in November, December. How can we trust that it is ready? They said it's ready. How can we trust it? You understand? You're supposed to give us a URL to see something. Even if we can't log in, let us see what it looks like. Do you get what I'm saying? So I doubt, they said when in doubt, doubt more, you understand? So I doubt that they have anything presentable at all. So it's like they're using all their energy to design this website and on their token generation event. Then the next question we ask is, when is the TGE planned? Okay, no, will ALX token be ERC20 token? This is Ethereum. They said yes, the ALX token will be ERC20 token on the token generation event. So basically these guys are running on Ethereum, but they will not mention Ethereum in their white paper. I checked through their white paper, there's no mention of Ethereum. Okay, it will be swapped for decent decoy UI. So they have not even built the whatever token that they are building on the blockchain. So but for now, what they are going for is the Ethereum blockchain. This is crazy. You understand? They have not done much. They're just selling on Ethereum. Then the last thing is, what will the price be? That is what we're just verifying now. And they said the price is set as 1 Ethereum to 10,000 ALX. So we're going to do a little mathematics to figure out how much this is worth in dollars. You understand? So to figure it out, we have to figure out the current cost of Ethereum as of today, which is coin market cap. The current cost of Ethereum should be somewhere around $526. So if 1 Ethereum worth $526, where are we? Lost. I'm going to close some of these tabs. Close this. If 1 Ethereum worth $526 and it's also worth 10,000 ALX tokens, let us do a little math to find out how much this is in dollars. All right. So the math is simple. We just do 10,000 divided by the amount of the cost of Ethereum, or the price of Ethereum in dollars, which is 526. So we're going to do 10,000 divided by 526. 10,000 divided by 526. Hit enter. And really, 10,000. I'm using Google as my calculator. 10,000 is $19. Really? Sorry, it's the other way. It's actually 526 divided by 10,000. That is the amount in. That's 526 there. Divided by 10,000. So it's $0.0526. All right. So we'll come here and enter the token price is $0.0562. $0.0562. $0.05. That's it, 0.0562. Sorry, my keyboard was misbehaving. Tokens available for ICO. So all these, you'll find it under the token section. So let's say you go to token. This is where they give the detail. They say 50% of the ALX tokens not dedicated to TGEs are going to be locked in for 12 months following the TGE, okay? ALX are going to be generated during the ALX token generation event, which will take place on the April 17th. The TGE hard cap is set to 30,000 Ethereum. Alright. There is soft cap. There is no soft cap. The project is go ahead regardless of the amount raised. Oh, okay. 30% of the total number of ALX are going to be available during ALX TGE. So this corresponds to 300 million. So we're trying to find out how many ALX tokens they want to generate in total. And as you can see, this information is hiding something. It's not open. Now we have to go dig into their FAQ to find out. So there's a big problem. They're hiding the numbers. So but we can do a mathematics here. They said total number of ALX is 30, which is 300 million. If 300 million is 30%, then they are generating 1 billion tokens. So ICO predictor, ICO tokens produce, total tokens produce 1 billion. That's 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I wish I can have this amount of money in my account, $1 billion. Total tokens available for the ICO is 30%. They just said it's 30%, which is 300 million. 300. How many zeros? 300 million will remain 2 zeros. Alright, so they are using 30% for their ICO, and the total is 100%. Total token supply. I wouldn't know because they didn't mention it. They said the hard cap, okay. They didn't mention how much tokens, the total token supply. They did not mention anything, okay. I'm seeing this chart. So it's either this is very poorly designed or thought out, or that they're intentionally hiding something. But so far, it looks good. So we're looking for how many tokens are available to be used. I've seen that their partnership here, as you can see, they're giving out 150 million. They are reserving 150 million tokens for their partnership integrations and what they will pay their team, and they want to spend another 150 million for their development. So if you add it, it's 300 million. So these are the tokens they are reserving. They will spend all other tokens. You understand? So these are tokens they are using to pay themselves. Do you understand? So they are using 30% of the tokens to pay themselves, which is 300 million. And token supply. So which means 70% is remaining. Look at it. It's in percentage. You just put 70%. Pre-sale date. Now we're going to look at the dates. I think this video has gone so long. What do you think? I think we should just pause this video here. Then in the next video, we'll fill out all the things. The rest is just to enter dates and we're good. All right.